Morning, everybody. Prepper Nurse 1 here. It's about 8:45. I think it's 8:45. No, it's almost 9. My bulldozer guy's here, and he has started doing some work over here, and so we're getting the day started, and we'll see how quickly this happens. And I'm actually, like I said, I'm very excited. This is finally getting done, and so it should be interesting. And I just wanted to do a real quick video. Well, maybe I'll watch him do some of this for a little bit. He's got his two machines here. He's got the bulldozer, and then he's got the backhoe over here fired up, and he's scraping off some on the top first, and then he's going to be able to dig in underneath here with the backhoe. But right now he's just scraping up there. But it's a beautiful sunny day. It ended up last night being a really clear night. It was gorgeous. Look, that's a big rock in there. You see that big rock? Wow. So it was a beautiful clear night last night, and I woke up about 2 in the morning and came out, and it was absolutely beautiful to watch. Look at all the stars and stuff like that. It was gorgeous. And my daughter and I used the telescope that Reese and his wife sent up to us. So it's absolutely fantastic. Just that was great. But here he's getting this all pushed up here. Wow, look at the size of that rock. If you can see that. I'll go around here and I'll show you the size of that rock he just moved out of the way. The size of that big boy. So he's right now scraping behind here. So he's just moving this now. He's digging down, obviously. He's going to work in this whole area here. Alright, so that's the start of it. What I'll do is I'll do another video later. I don't want to have you guys be bored watching me just working on this, so I will do another video a little bit later. Prepper Nurse 1.